So here on this page, on the very left, this is actually the PHP admin page. You can open it by writing it here, localhost PHP login. So it will take you to the same page like this. See, this two are same thing. Click on OK button. I will show you the left corner of this page where it is written post. You can add post from here, like you see a Facebook page on which you add post day by day. There you need to update about something. So all these type of things are done from this side. So in media you can see your media library. So I'll show you what is here. So you can see all the picture which I used or upload in my website are here. You can see it here, and again you can take it from here. It is stored here. So now I'll show you pages. In pages you can add a new page and from here, and you can also see your pages. So I have two pages, about this and home page. We'll go to about us page. So now I will show you how themes work. So go to parents, open theme. These are themes which you have already installed, and this is a theme, Hello Elementor, which I have activated. I have an option to customize this theme from my page. So now I will show you. If you want to add a new theme, activate. So at one time you have only one theme. So if you want to add a new theme, click on add new. You will see here list of themes, so you can search from here any theme. You can search for tour, for something for tour travel agent, and tour traveler. There are a number of themes, so it is fun to use them. So I will go back to my page. I will click on edit with Elementor, so you can see from this page that you can install this. So by clicking on install, so it installed. So after install you will see a option like here to activate this thing. So when you activate this, you will see here a customize option, and you can after that customize your website pages, posts, everything you need to. So now I will show you how you will edit your page according to your choice. So you will go to edit with Elementor. It is loading. Let's wait for it. So now so in plugin, I'll show you plugin 2. It will have list of installed plugins. So you see here anti-spam Elementor is a plugin, and Hello Dolly, Jetpack, you can see all of them here. So now I'll show you how to edit this thing. So you can edit from here too and from here too. So if you want to edit this, you can write up to here XOV. So here's it. After writing it, after making some change, you can update it from here, or you can go to change and see it go drop cap on and off. What happened, this L thing will change. Now you will see here that in style you can change its look. So here you see changes its color. So now there is typography. You can change anything like this. So now go to advanced. you can change this motion effect, so I'll choose all them, straight and upright, or rubber band. So you can change its image. Okay, so next thing is that you can edit it from here by clicking it here. It will show you edit page. By clicking on here, you could show edit page. And if you want to remove this all portion, you can click on this cross to edit this. You can, to edit this section, you can click on this button. So to edit this image, you can go to change this image. It will show you the media file, and you can change it by clicking on it. Insert media, it is changed. So now you can change its caption and everything. You can edit this button too by clicking on edit. You can change its spacing and everything. You can change its style from here. You can choose its color, just changing to see. So which color you like the most is here. So go to change its strength, go here. So here how it look like. So we'll go around. You can change this. You can see every portion is editable. So now I will show you another thing. Go to site setting. We will choose header. So now see your header. You will see change the header gate like this. Layout, inverted, centered, default. So you can change your tail line from here. You can change site logo from here. So everything is editable. So here I have a slideshow. You can need slideshows too. See here footer. You can change the menu. To change the menu, you can choose a drop down or a horizontal. See here home and about us, and now see a drop down. So drop down is here. So this is everything for today. I will show you next step in next video. So like this video if you truly like it. So goodbye.